Assalamu alaikum. Azi agwa ara pattern sayum. Pattern golde subject plus has a plus noun plus as well as plus noun. Ara pattern ibar khota ara daily use diba. Atu bayo ase aro bono ase en kole motor pattern ibala hobo. Subject plus have has plus noun plus as well as plus noun. I have mother-in-law atu khori ase. I have mother-in-law atu khori ase as well as mani aro brother-in-law atu khori ase aro halai ase e aro hobe ibale hoyim dara as well as mani aro we have education ara to eloma ase as well as aro power mani ক্ষমতায় আছে বলো আছে গদুয়া we have work you have work তোমারা তো হামো আছে as well as aro income mani আমদনিও আছে they have done ইতারা তু গুলিয়ে আছে as well as aro short মানে কিরিসা আছে লম্বা দৌড়িয়া people have knowledge মানুষ সকল তু আকলও আছে knowledge মানে আকল দেমাক এলম দেখি হইবার as well as aro মানি তিয়াই আছে he has wife ইতা তু বইও আছে as well as aro girlfriend আছে she has husband ইবার তু জামাই আছে as well as aro boyfriend আছে Rohim has English teacher. Rohim to English master আছে as well as aro Burmese teacher. English master আছে aro Burmese master আছে. Hasina has beef curry. Hasina to গরু গুছো salon আছে as well as aro fish curry মাছ salon আছে. Rukia has society. Rukia to সমাজ আছে as well as aro relative এখানে আছে। তাহলে অনরা ভিডিও আর বাইরে কি করে দিবেন শেয়ার করে দিবেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।